and welcome back to Mackenzie Makes. Today I will be doing a Halloween makeup tutorial for you guys, so let's get started. What I am going to start off with is my makeup palette, and we're going to start with the red. I'm going to make a simple line with the red for a start, and then darken it. There, I've got the red done. We are going to use a little bit of black now to darken it. And go over it with a little bit more red if you need to make it a little lighter again, if you made it too dark. And there's that done. You can touch it up a little bit if you need to with just with your skin color of eyeshadow. If you went a little bit too far over, you want to touch it up. And once you have that done, we are going to start by applying some red lip gloss with another makeup brush. I'm going to start with that, just going over it. Make sure to leave a little bit of the eyeshadow around the edge. And then we're going to add some more. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can add some more eyeshadow to touch it up and make it look more realistic. And that's the end of this tutorial video. How does it look? May look a little bit shiny with the lights in the background. Well, thanks for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. to get notifications when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!